Some leads engage on LinkedIn, others reply faster by email, but the best outreach combines both. And that's exactly what you can do with Linked Helper. Engage people on LinkedIn first, then scrape their emails once they connect, and then send this data straight to your email tool or CRM, all automatically. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-channel sequence. This approach helps you avoid cold inbox failures because you've already built familiarity on LinkedIn and can refer to that in your email later. So let's say you are setting B2B outreach. First, you connect with decision makers on LinkedIn, then send them 2 warm follow-ups, scrape emails of your new first-degree connections, and send them to instantly for your automated email sequence. Or let's say you're recruiting and you connect with potential candidates on LinkedIn, then scrape emails once they accept and send them to your internal CRM. So let's build this campaign step by step. Well, in the Linked Helper campaign, start your LinkedIn actions. First, invite second and third degree contacts to start growing your network. Then, filter profiles out of my network to keep only those who accepted your invite. Message to first connections to send 1 short follow-up or maybe 2 to build rapport. You can also add an engaging step before connecting. For example, follow them or like their recent post. It helps boost your acceptance rate. Well, here's the logic. First we connect, then we send 1 or 2 conversational messages, no pitching yet. This stage warms up your audience and lets them get to know you. Once people start accepting your invites, it's time to scrape their emails. Well, we need to add the visit and extract profiles action. But where? Here's the key rule. Don't place the visit and extract actions right after the invite step. Linked Helper first needs to confirm who accepted your connection request with the filter action, because only your first degree connections have visible emails on LinkedIn. So the correct setup looks like this. You start with invite, then filter, then a couple of messages, and then you visit and extract profiles data. Or you invite, filter, visit and extract profiles data, and then send a couple of messages. This way, Linked Helper only visits people who are your new first-degree connections, and it can scrape emails directly from their profile pages. Now that you've got leads' emails, it's time to send them to your email tool or CRM. The first option. Send scraped profiles to instantly to launch personalized emails. Add the action Send person to external CRM and choose instantly. Map fields like name, email, company, and click Create most useful custom fields to prevent duplicates and add other fields for important data. Check our full video tutorial on how to connect Linked Helper with Instantly. Option number 2, send profiles to your CRM to manage relationships. You need to select the action Send person to external CRM, but now choose some CRM like Capsule. Don't forget to map fields here as well, so you can see the needed data in your CRM, and then manage relationships directly inside your sales process. We also have step-by-step tutorials on how to connect Linked Helper with other CRMs on our YouTube channel, so check them out. And option number 3, use webhooks to integrate with any other apps. Now add send person to webhook and paste your Zapier or Make or any other webhook URL. Include flat data and even full messaging history if you need it. And there you have it. Here's your full multi-channel workflow. Now it's your turn. Build your own multi-channel workflow and see how easy LinkedIn to email outreach can be. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial.